Hey guys, guess what? My local Mr. Softee is back in my neighborhood. You probably guys can hear it right now. I can hear him. And yeah, I just heard him a second ago. I think he has a customer. Oh no, there he is. I can hear him now. Yeah, I can't believe it. He's back. So, I knew it. I had a feeling he would come back this week. Because, I saw him earlier, before. Well, not... I did see him earlier. I saw him at my school. He passed by my school, so... And, I saw him at the bowling alley when I got my 300 perfect game. And, he was there, and he told me either, last week or this week he was gonna start. But I knew, as soon as I knew, well, not knew, but as soon as I realized last week he wasn't coming at all, I was like, huh. And then I was thinking maybe he'll come back next week, and he's back. But yeah, so I'll cut the clip until he gets a little closer. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. So I'll be back once he gets closer. See you guys. Excuse me. I'll see you guys.
1 hour later.
Well, guys, took a little bit, but he has finally came to the part where he's about to come to my house. So yeah, this is it, guys. First ice cream truck season of Mr. Softee, my local. He's back. And you're gonna see him in this tiny little corner. He's down at that road down there.
You are currently being recorded.
Excuse that. So yeah, you're gonna see him right there. And give it a bit, give it a bit. There he is. Dad, you ready? Alright, here he comes. Alright guys, he's coming to my house. First ice cream truck of the season of my local Mr. Softee. He's back. There he is down there. Here he comes. There he is, guys. He's back. He's back, baby. What's up, man?